How to assemble a Rail-X Quickrack. Open the tubes and remove all packaging. Lay out all of the components. You will also need a mallet and something to stand on, such as a stool or set of steps. The Quickrack is best assembled by 2 people. Fit the plastic feet onto the bottom end of the uprights. The narrow part of the slot in the uprights should point downwards. Attach the bottom side bearer. Locate the lugs into the first set of slots above the foot and tap in place with a mallet. The bearer should have the flat edge facing up. Attach the top side bearer. Locate the lugs 1 slot down from the top of the upright. The bearer should have the flat edge facing down. Repeat the same assembly on the other side. Whilst supporting one side assembly, attach the bottom bearers. The bearers should have the flat edges facing up and be fitted at the same level as the side bearers. Bring in the other side assembly and attach the front and rear bottom bearers. Attach the rear top bearer to the topmost holes with the flat edge of the bearer facing up. Attach a bearer approximately halfway down the rear of the Quickrack. This helps to further stabilise the unit. Working from the top down, position a side bearer where the rail will sit. To position the bearer, count the appropriate number of slots from the rail above. Fix the bearer with the flat edge facing down. Do this for the full number of rail levels required. If the rear stabilising bearer interferes with the side bearer, reposition the rear bearer either up or down. Attach the bearers in the same position on the other side. For purposes of clarity, we've turned the rack round. You won't need to do this. Assemble the rail. Ensure the logo goes to the front of the rail and reads correctly. When putting the rail into the chevrons, have the shorter strengthening piece on top of the longer piece. Put the lower level rails in first, making sure the rail sits securely on the side bearers and inside the uprights. When putting the top rail in, slide it in carefully from the front. Once the rail is in place, attach a front bearer in the topmost slots with a flat edge facing up. Your Quickrack is now complete and ready to house your Rail-X Graphic Arts hook-on files.